In this video, we're going to learn how to use VLOOKUP in Excel. So what is VLOOKUP? VLOOKUP stands for vertical lookup. It is a built-in function used to search for a value in the first column of a table and return a corresponding value from another column in the same row. These are the steps to use VLOOKUP function in Excel. So first is you need to prepare your data. So you need to ensure your data has a lookup value, which is the first column, and the result column. And step 2 is write the formula. So in the result cell, type VLOOKUP, value to find, range, result column number, exact or not. And this is an example here. So lookup value. So A2 is the value to find, and this is the range of data. And number 2 is column with the result, and false to find an exact match. You just have to press enter and drag to copy, so meaning apply the formula to other cells. So I have a data here that we can use. So let's say I have this list of devices, right? And I am monitoring the number of devices per month. So I already have the number of devices in October. So I need to now gather the data for November. So I can use VLOOKUP in this case. So I need to type VLOOKUP. So lookup value. So in this case, access points. And then table array. So table array is this. And then I need to lock the range. So I can do that by pressing F4 to make sure that all of these are locked. And then the number of the column. So in this case, I need the number in column 2. So number of devices in column 2. So I will type 2. And then I need the exact match. So I'm going to select false. And then I can now close the parentheses and then enter. So now if we see access points is now 768 from 757. So access points, yeah, here. So now I can drag the formula down to the other cells. So it works as expected. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.